Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and do you own an AirTag? I mean, almost everyone does, and these are so helpful. They really can be lifesavers. You know, AirTags can help you find your keys. As you can see, I've got this on my keys because I've lost my keys in the past, and so much more. But the problem is the battery life on these guys is really about a year. And how would you like to have up to 10 years of battery life on your AirTag? Well, why don't we go ahead and jump in and check this out? So how do you get up to 10 years on an Apple AirTag, right? AirTags normally give you about a year. Well, there's a product that's been out for a little while now. It's actually called a time capsule. I'm going to crack this open and we'll take a look at it together and we'll go over all of the benefits and features. Now, before we take a good look at the time capsule, I want you to know that the time capsule is obviously going to be larger than an AirTag, but it has great uses, especially with a 10-year battery life. Like, what if I wanted to put the time capsule in my camera bag, just in case I lose it, right? I've got my expensive camera, my memory cards, and my batteries. So that's one example. And here's another. What about my tool bag? Do you even know how expensive tools are? And if this thing just disappears, and hopefully it's within range, I'll be able to find it. And losing my luggage or my backpack can be very stressful. So get creative. Whatever you can put the time capsule in, it can help you find it. And again, a 10-year battery. That's pretty nice. So here is the time capsule. All right, now I'm going to open it up for you and show you how this works. So as you can see, you've got a seal. So this is actually IP69. It's fully dust tight and it's protected against close range, high pressure water jets. Now it's not made to be in the water, just so you'll know. But what happens, and I'll show you this, is normally you twist the AirTag open to change the batteries, right? But in this case, we're going to twist it open and we're going to actually lay it on here. And then this actually connects with, obviously, the place where you're going to put the battery. And batteries, let me tell you something real quick too. So the company recommends that you use the Energizer Ultimate Lithium batteries or some kind of lithium battery, because you don't actually want to use alkaline batteries, because in like 2 years, obviously they start leaking and they ruin everything. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to hold this, but with our two thumbs, we're going to turn this counterclockwise to get to the battery. So if we just turn this, this actually comes off. We now have access to the battery, which we can take out because we're not going to need it. This actually goes right on here. It just lays on just like that. And then we're going to put two Energizer batteries in. We're going to close this up. We're going to use these stainless steel screws. All right. So give me a second. I'll set this up. So I'm going to take my AA batteries. I'm going to put them in here. Now I take the Apple AirTag, the device itself. Now you heard that sound? So it's connected. Now what you want to do, and you could see how it's made, this is going to actually hold that down. So I'm going to hold this down. I'm going to basically put all 4 of these screws in. Let me tighten them up and I'll come right back. Now, you want to make sure that these are really tight, you know, so just tighten them as much as you can without being too forceful. Obviously, that seal will do the job as far as dust. And obviously, you know, being IP69, water jets won't affect this as well. And, you know, I mean, honestly, if I go in, I could already see that the AirTag's popping up. So it found the AirTag. I can add the AirTag. I can add it to my Find Me, which is a really nice feature. And 10 years of battery life, guys. I thought I would take a moment and share this with you. So guys, I got a few more things. I want to give you measurements first of all. So let's start there. So we are 4.5 inches in length. We are 1.5 inches in width, and we're 3/4 inches thick. All right. Now, long term, I'm hoping to do a long-term review on this. I'm going to wait a while and use it, but I will tell you it's got really good reviews on Amazon. So take a look at those. Again, links will be in the video description. Now, I'm going to play the sound on the Find Me for a minute. I want to see if we can hear it. It is going to be lower in this case, even though it's 50% louder than Generation 1. So let's do that. Now, I heard that. I just don't know if you did. So I'm going to take this and put it closer and try it again. All right, so hopefully you heard that. I don't think you're going to benefit from the 50% louder in this type of case, being dust tight and almost waterproof, right? You just can't submerge this, by the way, so just keep that in mind. Now, as I use the Find Me feature, this is pretty cool because you could see here that, the Find Me feature works, and I named it Time Capsule, by the way. So there you go. Pretty cool. So guys, links will be in the video description. And if you have any questions about this, please let me know, and have a great day. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round TechMadeEzy logo. Guys, thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.